Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and today I would like to talk to you about some additional pieces that I found for the making of Betty Boop's new boutique look. I have been working on her boutique and I recently shared with you some options that I have. Options as far as shelving units and things that I'm going to need to display her items, her shoes, her bags, and all that stuff. Now, I had shared with you this frame that I got at the thrift store. So as you can see, it has shoes and bags and all that. I might use it, I'm not sure, but because it's pink, I didn't really want to use a lot of pink in here. Betty Boop likes black and red and all that. So this is an option, just an option. I'm not decided yet on what I'm going to use. Now I have two of these boxes here where a watch came in them in each one. So they're like gift boxes. And then I also have some drawers here from jewelry boxes. I also have a transparent one that I shared with you. And the Dollar Tree has these. So these are great for stores, miniature stores. But anyway, this video is about the additional pieces that I found after I made that video. So I have this piece here, which I can use either way. I can use it like that, or I can use it like that. Not only that, look at this neat piece. You see that transparent piece there? I have two of those. And I'm not sure, I don't remember what this packaging was from, but I saved both of them for just in case I ever needed them. And I came across them. They were in my closet, and I said, let's see what this can do in Betty Boutique's creation, right? So I brought it over, and this is actually a Barbie dollhouse room that I use for her boutique. And it has that wide window. So I said to myself, let me see if this fits. And it surely did. Look at that. From top to bottom. You see what I'm saying? There's an adhesive part here, so it's stuck. Okay, I took it out. But anyway, well, what I was saying was, see the space? How wide that window is? This fits right in with no struggle. Right in. The dimensions are perfect for that window. Not only that, as you can see, this has like some little shelving there. So I can use these as shelves to place little things in there, little bags and stuff like that. So it gives me a lot of room to display items on. And not only that, when you look at it from outside, it looks like a real window. You see? Let me show you something else. So let's say Betty Boop was by the window. Can you see her? Look at that. You see? So that was a perfect piece for that window, and I am so glad that I held on to those. I saved them. So yeah, this is why I hold on to certain things. Not everything, certain things. If I see it, I look at it and I think about it and I say, this is good for something. I will be using this at some point. So if you do that, well, me, then I have material to work with when I make my creations. So yes, I wanted to share that with you. The idea for the window and this additional piece that I found in my closet. Well, this is progress. I hope that you have enjoyed, and stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching.